This video will show you how to borrow ebooks using the BorrowBox app on your iPad. If you haven't already downloaded the BorrowBox app, please watch our video on how to get started with BorrowBox. On the BorrowBox My Loans screen, any items you have on loan will be displayed. To browse the titles available, click ebooks at the bottom of the screen. You can narrow your choices by clicking Adult, Young Adult, or Children at the top of the screen. You can also narrow your choices by clicking Featured, Categories, or Genres at the top of the screen. Click Featured and scroll down to choose the list including New to Library, Top Downloads, and Borrow eBooks Now, no waiting. Click Categories and scroll down to choose from the list including Most Popular, New Releases, and Bestsellers. Click Genres and scroll down to choose from lists including Comedy, Contemporary Fiction, and Crime and Thriller. To browse the broadest selection of titles available, click All and All Releases at the top of the screen. To search for a particular ebook, click Search at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, click inside the search bar and type the name of the ebook. Under the search bar, choose the type of book you want to search for by clicking ebook. You also have the option of clicking Available under the search bar to find only those ebooks that are not currently on loan to other users. Click Available again to deselect it and search all ebooks, including those already on loan to other users. Click on the ebook you want to borrow. If it's already on loan by another user, you can click the orange Reserve button at the bottom of the screen. Then click Confirm Reserve and you'll receive an email when the ebook becomes available for loan. If you click on an ebook you want to read and it is available, then click on the green Borrow button at the bottom of the screen. Click Confirm Loan and the ebook will start downloading on your iPad. Choose what you'd like to do next by clicking Read Now or Keep Browsing. If you choose Read Now, the book will open full screen on your iPad. You turn the page by using your finger to swipe across the screen from right to left. You can change parts of the display, such as increasing the size of letters by double-clicking on the page to open an option window. Click on the big A to increase the size of the letters and keep clicking until the letters are big enough for you to read comfortably. You can also skip to the next chapter or return to the previous chapter by clicking on the arrows at the bottom of the screen. The current chapter number is displayed between the arrows. To close the ebook, click on My Loans at the top left of the screen. This takes you back to the My Loans screen where you can see how many more items you can loan near the top right next to the word Available. The number next to the Open Book icon shows how many more ebooks you can borrow. To reopen your ebook from the My Loans screen, click on the title or cover photo of the ebook. This will take you back to the page you were on last before closing the ebook. Thank you for watching.